Guys, welcome to my vlog, Nanay Loren guys. Sinipag si Nanay guys, nagkulay na naman guys. Guys, flex ni Nanay Loren pala yung kilay ni Nanay Loren guys. Parang may eyebrows siya guys kasi kinulay din ni Nanay. Hello, welcome to my live and vlog, Nanay Loren. Welcome to my vlog, Nanay Loren. Sinipag si Nanay guys. Nagkukulay si Nanay guys. Ayan. At saka yung kilay ni Nanay guys. Kinulayan din ni Nanay guys para pantay. Para kunyari guys si Nanay nag-a-eyebrow. Kunyari guys, nag-a-eyebrow si Nanay guys. Yan, tapos na guys. Sinipag si Nanay guys. Chararan, chararan. Masaya si Nanay guys dahil at least naka-eyebrow lang man si Nanay, nakasubok mag-eyebrow guys. Yun lang guys, flex ni Nanay guys. Happy evening Sunday. Have a good day guys. Bye bye.